Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the latest updates on investing and finance. Today, we'll be discussing the top 10 lithium stocks for 2023. As the world moves towards clean energy, the demand for lithium-ion batteries continues to rise. In fact, according to a recent report, the global lithium-ion battery market is expected to reach $129.3 billion by 2027. So, if you're looking to invest in this booming market, then this video is for you. Albemarle Corporation. Albemarle is a global leader in the production of lithium and has a market capitalization of around $21.8 billion. The company is well positioned to benefit from the growing demand for lithium and is expanding its production capacity to meet the needs of the market. SQM is a Chilean chemical company that produces lithium and has a market capitalization of around $9.2 billion. The company's high-quality lithium reserves and diversified operations make it a promising investment in the lithium market. Tesla is a well-known electric vehicle manufacturer that is also involved in the production of lithium-ion batteries. With a market capitalization of around $540 billion, Tesla's stock is a solid choice for those looking to invest in the future of clean energy. Lithium Americas is a Canadian lithium mining company that is poised for growth. With a market capitalization of around $3.5 billion, the company has a strong presence in the United States and South America. Ganfeng Lithium is a Chinese company that is rapidly expanding its lithium production capacity. With a market capitalization of around $39.7 billion, the company is well positioned to benefit from the growing demand for lithium. Livent is a global leader in the production of specialty lithium compounds and has a market capitalization of around $3.5 billion. The company's diversified operations and partnerships make it a promising investment in the lithium market. FMC is a global leader in the production of specialty chemicals and has a market capitalization of around $14.2 billion. The company's diversified operations and focus on innovation make it a promising investment in the lithium market. Panasonic is a well-known Japanese electronics company that is also involved in the production of lithium-ion batteries. With a market capitalization of around $24.5 billion, Panasonic stock is a solid choice for those looking to invest in the future of clean energy. Piedmont Lithium is focused on producing lithium hydroxide from spodumene ore in order to provide companies with a lithium hydroxide source outside of China. And it hopes to aid in the creation of an American battery supply chain. In addition to its fully integrated Carolina Lithium project, the company also has properties in Ghana and in Quebec, Canada, including the North American Lithium joint venture with Sayona Mining. In Minas Gerais, Brazil, Sigma Lithium has its Grota do Cirilo hard rock lithium project. Sigma anticipates Phase 1 production of 270,000 mount annually and Phase 2 production of 531,000 mount. In addition to that, the company is building a GreenTech dense media separation production plant, which it says will make its operations vertically integrated. So, there you have it, the top 10 lithium stocks to watch in 2023. While investing in the stock market always carries risks, the growth potential of the lithium industry presents an exciting opportunity for investors. It's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in making your investment decisions. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investment insights and tips. Thanks for watching.